wait to see me coming with this one, but I'm going to say it anyway. As a neuroscience nurse, I will stay away from chiropractors. However, if I know anybody that insists on visiting a chiropractor, I would recommend that when they do visit their chiropractors, they insist that the chiropractor stay away from their neck and their head. And that's because of injuries I've seen based on experiences and reports. There are tons of risks involved in seeking chiropractor services. I'm talking about things like arterial rupture that can lead to hemorrhagic stroke, herniation displacement, fracture, or even a spinal injury that can potentially leave one disabled for life. So never recommend seeking the services of a chiropractor. But if you must, ensure to stay away from your neck and your head. Till next time, toodles.